Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick video on our kitchen in progress. We have the lower half done. We have the countertops finally in, all the cabinets and doors on. We have the sink and dishwasher in, and the faucet. And our next step will be the upper cabinets, the backsplash, the cabinets above the fridge and next to the fridge, and then hopefully the coffee bar. And then when everything is done there, we are going to be restaining the floors. And this is the little pantry that my husband built for me. I have to reorganize it, so if you guys would like to see a video on that, let me know. And I'm still looking for a utensil organizer for the drawer, one that's expandable. It takes a really long time to redo a kitchen when you're doing it yourself, but it's so worth the wait once you get the things in that you've taken a long time to build or pick out. It's just awesome to see. I still have to move a bunch of our stuff into the cupboards and the drawers, but here's where we keep our pans, which I really wanted a pan drawer because I hated storing them in the cupboards. They were never neat and easy to get at. Thanks for following along on my kitchen in progress. We still have a bunch to do, so I hope you keep watching for those upcoming videos, and I hope you like this one. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.